What are some of the challenges while in the current administration who feel they need to be corrected?
Kerongo chana rigireri anene mono. Kerongo choro mochumbe. Ometo mochumbe mukwa, for example, ngakiri kura 2027, igongo endari egere nkwana on your behalf.
Yes.
Njomo jumbo ndo mfeiriri okwana on my behalf. Kerago cha oiwe platform maybe kokwanira none president kumusaba magenderero atoretere nyari bari masaba agozo de tukure ono gukura ingi gogo twatwa
nakura
nchege nteke nente te encourage abanyari bari masaba. It is representation in parliament, like I will speak for them. Omaida bandi mbari bago chikorenye ina agenda. Yes, that is hiyo ni sera. Ina sera kiagera na bogo tomo muntu gai takwana for the entire 5 years. Na cyokora chinse mo chinde chibata magenderero ikinde nchibwati asiki omuntu nare oromwango ando muntu nare orengora amogote bigunga the Ministry of Roads goina nekara allocations at Tamanyiti. Taiyo.
Mumbagala America.
One iworo chae no ndia magenderera go che kaseno.
Umuchando.
Another challenge is infrastructure. Kerongo kwa infrastructure gento kya go chikia affect mono nchibuno munyari bari masaba anene mono nechipara. Nona ekwara igure pare ya kwa ni rukuru. Na ande nago chinero mwatumia.
Wa tagutika.
Ibacho yarukeroka yachegese bagu ende ibacho enda kiamuka.
Imetengwa?
Imekuwa ikifanyika, tumetenga, tutafanya. Sasa tumengoja, imekuwa launched, relaunched. Wana tindiko manyana.
Eko launch ukurua, ndia launch ukurua.
Wana such like empty promises.
Yes.
Nchiriko chichato konya. Infrastructure is a big challenge. Allocation of bursaries, like constituencies chinde, abako renga allocations, muna bako abana babo. At least there's some equity and equality. Keroko ba allocated.
Yes.
Lakini kerego chensema ya nyari bari masaba origireri auditors general report there are discrepancies. Ntibwa tinone report yero kinga bursaries cha mwaka gete cha beta allocated, this is the amount, these are the number of students who benefited, this is the total number of the total sum of money that was spent in such a financial year. One of such like records nchiora tebenga nyari bari masaba, at least there is transparency. Ikinkelageti sana.
Tinda igwara usiga especially nyari bari masaba basari yakora nubuye.
No kwena nuwoka na mbuye igo. Like it is a challenge. Ingigekogera kiagera there is that allocation in the constitution and in the constituency. Ngajibe se chicha bana banyari bari masaba chigochi. Dende no tebe enchira ena lakini otebe nga infrastructures neba nechi sukuru at least kera also kire sukuru nyari bari masaba watenga this is excellent. Nga no abana mbanyorete bursaries chibe se they were converted to make better structures for the next classes that are coming. Abaiburi bateseka lakini the next generation bakoreki ba benefit. Ingonto rikorera gento bunikyo.
Nchengo gosaba kwakomera Samuel Arama MP Nakuru West, Nakuru Town West. This is one guy Umugusi, which already spoke for 3 terms. He's now going for the 4th term. Akwenda bursary ya 22,500 to every grade 10 child. Imagine. Chipara jiro se constituency ya Jones P. Imagine. In fact, there's no student that was in school. Arama Karo. He either calls and probably even follows up himself. Akwenda pake school aliko make sure manu you're admitted.
Ono na kiki tokobori into abanyari bari masaba. Ngaichibese chiri chitunge tichitokonye into chigochi.
Chigochi.
Ama ene pinga ichigochi. Yagira na bagotenga chibese chiri chino igo na aroche ndindi kiagira turi go consult banyari bari masaba gote. Igo na aroche mbaga chiri chiram kiagira kere region ya nyari bari masaba onyore inga era minero ryo kwendasi ntubwati para magacho yichi sukuru tayo buyaigo
maminto
bursaries nchiri ko ba located no gukwa na parliament representation onekero moneno Kenya achirega iga gusaba abantu amagenderero tuyororo igo bono gakinkiki
usiga ndo bate challenge availability the leaders fight.
Exactly.
Bali gotoka tukwa kasimi yango just an example of the person I know the same Arama every Monday and Friday abakaji baye bamaitenga Arama tuchikora for any social or economic issue which was sort out.
Exactly.
In terms of availability they do promise on this particular channel that will be available for them.
Thank you for bringing that up. Kina kigente kenene kerona tenenje gukwana abantu abange bagotebenga bamura gakera mukuri gikikura. Bambaya. Wachiko baba ya lakini kimwe iriga one motenga bono mwabeira abange moyo one nganyari bakangaka lakini boni go tegetekero omonto ekina inche kyanga encourage tinga change of leadership tutwara obonchoriri asoborai omonto omanyenga omonto ori akire ekura na atoke nche buna risase echaniri buna wateba abantu nabange bakoyowocha I promise people nga I will be available nande nche oborai obonte tuchikore to obonchoriri how like public participation negento kiamana sana kereko kama ensemo ya leadership and governance kiagera mahitaji oranyore ward ya kiamo kamebwate tari arora nyore ward ya Nyamasibi bwate Kichuni na Masimba igo ono gwikato isaranse n'abantu abaiga tukwanenga chibese chino chiko cha constituency ya Nyaribari Masaba ino abantu na be region igete Kimuragani tokorere
involvement
like
of people
involvement of people in development aspects nande abantu bacha banyorenga none kero bagocha obisi umaite obisi nerere Masimba element for the member of parliament bacho bara konyona bamaite ngaitukogete omo chumbo ito ngotokara obisi tikatwende tomorore toiwe kwirende Another change I would like to incorporate is which have a challenge when it comes to leadership and governance is the coordination between the national government and the county government. Ono gocho kwanyorenga projects getenchire chigokoru umonto gotenga ine docket ya county government ine docket ya national government ino mochumbe ine kwerende MCA konfane paranera itrimbugete mintoma yaga gochi yarugesa bakwa yue trimbugeta yarugesa baku yanda mwikisi obo tutukana umbororo umwe atari yae umuchumbo atari yae igobono ne yango nje kintete koreta ubonchoriri mboringa ki because you leaders nini moko elected n'abantu abamo tigamwachamo mwa discuss issues kama ni projects in case of coordination egerecha chikobanga ki nchiakonya abantu taringa for example chake project aneno ikigatotenga ine docket ya ikobono kwa yetigire igo no tutware coordination between the national government oyoro muchumbe na ndene county government oyoro mu MCA egera magenderero akonya abantu Nyaribari Masaba eyu minetinga nabongwa kero mu MCA owodi ndensi mutenga ngo chando bisiao lero no nkare kuisaranso bisiao totegerere abantu bakuruwe wodi gete mechando kibabwate
mwigwanana anenji mbawe geranga parateyo amujumbe akokana no mu MCA okana I think that is okay. Gusiga igatwanya what we call gunism. Asa abantu bagwitu abandi bakwa. Kero kena kwa ile challenge yuba koga sini siasa yao.
Nando ikinege ntekene kwa mfano kero na chirase nanto bakonte kwanza anene muno unoro umwani nyaruka. People tend to take advantage to harm you and ever to gunism to intimidate you because maybe you cannot afford that huge amount of money to hire high-end security ama to hire goons like una babugate. It is a challenge. Kwa mfano ngentukiria akorekanete keumbu you know I was there.
You went that Musafaro.
Nona arenga so Musafaro. So it could have been me omongwana uri osirete. It could easily be anybody. One nchiki ngote bya abantu bagusita kyagera tari Nyaribari Masaboka. Gunism terigo chiyatokonya. And it's because of amandamano yechi streets that I was encouraged to front myself to vie for this position. Egera ntochikonya konyora ngetoko chi street every now and then. Keratu achirichi street that is also orchestrating the culture of gunism. Kero kwa roche 2024-25 financial bill. Kero wachageta mandamano na aringe peaceful. Very peaceful because we were advocating for our rights.
Kabisa.
Agatiga igando akarenga movement ye ya very peaceful. Igotokoreta gunism negati chia destroy agenda so that we do not have our mission. Kero maremboro orororo no na senga. You achieve a lot. Kiagera bono you cannot construct as you deconstruct. You construct as you deconstruct. It is a difficult thing to do.
Gunism, it's a big issue.
It is a big issue.
Nyaribari Masaba nero ondumbenzi yokowasira. Egera tumana ntugu deal na wewe gorwa.
One igaro ondetarangos as of now.
Ondeta kunali sasa.
Ande kingo wakera Nyaribari Masaba mbuya muno. banchire risasi by the it is true aki banchire risasi like ani bangorokiri obwanchani andonsi singo tenena andonsi singo tara bonaona bonkomera omuntu najua egento kende ntete ko encourage abantu ngamba narainga bali bakuburi chikura igo bare emebere nande babekire bigokoro nka wano togutara ndonsi nche mukona bakonyo akeroka ndi chinyanya gati gori chinyanya kyagera that is life
ore nomo
taringe singe nchoko bori oborai now you become somebody special nande kine kigento ngo sabanga kindaire nyasai karanche I still maintain that standard tara abantu gati abantu boka na bago protect omete ochake kwebekira security ona ria abantu bago chaka kogochaka ngaki olibono bekire security ne to attack torere security ya ngaki akora ngaki komokonya china bongo interact na abantu iga bali ba maita bakena bago identify nga this is ate oyo nere risasi kyagera bangigure lakini bono mbara manenga risasi na baguchobo omuntu nomo ogotara iga kama kawaida ukorina chipigipigi nago tenga ari stage area water mbama ita
nabo likiro mondago de risasi yanda iga ogikasikitu onchokeiga they know me because nchine chipigipigi ngotumeka abana boda bansirire sana nandi ngo bakirambuya mono bono. Now, Ngwa mentioned the issue of finances. How do you support yourself on this particular journey? Because we know Gusii politics is quite expensive. Yeah.
Since I started, I've been using my 2 small savings. And bidie nande nabo ngote abanga asena chiri nanda asebali ba ene kiri igentongo chinaru nkeri kenene. Ani chinangote nga kolio koboko kwakolire okongoma. Kerimbu ate kena kinkuru. But it is a challenge. Kyagara abantu ba ku expecting kero kuburi siasa no bwate financial muscles okwenda sigete kwanya gosia kwenda omochango kwa ruchibese chicheto lakini nche kwenda senchira yobwororo natibunyo no mwana go chisku ncha maine kinako goriri ni chipaketi bire chaki chepiro ichi nabo chigo nani nero mbwate no moyo omokeno no kwiri nanyorire nandi watch at the right time igorongero kana ngenga igoraka till number gete kegera kerongo konyorango post some of my clips online abantu mbaroro beruete gon support beruete genuinely gon support taringa kurunyari bari masaboka just Kenya at large
mundawa tabali sasa ikomiyeyu
lakini bado mbaranga bono ikini gento nali kurigiringa abantu mbari bakuburi how can I support you nakinda akorengo support of course not all people barabe positive ononga nkateba tigangende ndo sie till number ori orabe willing oma tari bonsi baguchi batwara omoyo because abande mbari bare very negative kwa mfano na post tigoro online there are negative comments and there are positive comments but iki batamayeti this is kirege gasare sengencho mimi are very optimistic negative comments tindiko chinadwele na chiro chimono igongo sukamutu
kabisa interview itili
na ile nyomba ngokoretera ndento yeso
tubeke bicha
that
would be well